Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wormate, EO on your personal computer. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wormate, EO website. A strong, consistent internet connection is crucial for an uninterrupted experience. You will primarily use your mouse for guiding your worm and occasionally your keyboard for specific actions. It's a straightforward setup, allowing you to jump into the fun quickly and easily. Once in the game, your primary goal is to grow your worm. You control its movement by simply moving your mouse cursor around the screen. Your worm will follow the cursor's path. To increase your size, guide your worm over the numerous food pellets spread across the arena. Remember, touching any part of another worm will cause your worm to be eliminated, turning you into food for others. Stay vigilant. Wormate, EO offers several power-ups that appear randomly, providing temporary boosts like increased speed or better turning. To gain a burst of speed, simply hold down your left mouse button. Be aware that boosting consumes a small portion of your worm's length. A key strategy involves encircling smaller worms, trapping them within your body, forcing them to collide with you and become food. This is a great way to grow quickly. For advanced play, mastering quick, sharp turns is essential to outmaneuver larger opponents and escape tight situations. You can also personalize your worm's look by choosing from many different skins available in the game's menu. Experiment with various strategies and practice consistently to refine your skills. The more you play, the better you will become at navigating the arena, collecting food, and dominating the leaderboard. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.